Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel, Creative Inspirations of My Heart. I'm looking forward to sharing some of my inspirations and sharing some floral design work and craft work that I enjoy doing, and I want you to come on in and enjoy and make sure that you just make yourself comfortable. And if you have any questions, comment below. Make sure that you like this video, and also make sure you subscribe. That way you won't miss any of my videos. Glad to have you. Come on aboard. Well, hey friends. Happy New Year. I can't believe we're already 4 days into January of 2024. So I'm got some items here. I wanted to do a Valentine's a floral arrangement. I'm going to be using some roses that I got from Dollar Tree, some red roses. I got 2 bushes. And then I have a piece of ribbon that I had, some scrap ribbon. I believe I got this last year around Christmas time. I had some scrap ribbon. I'm going to be using this, it looks like baby's breath, or it's called gypsophile or baby's breath, yeah, from Dollar Tree. And then this is another piece, or it's a eucalyptus with the almost, you can't really see it, but it's got like glittery effects. It's from the winter, the Christmas section. So I got it half off from Dollar Tree. And then I don't know if y'all know this or not, but Dollar Tree basically is a sister store of Family Dollar. And so Family Dollar had these baby breaths that they call baby breaths, a little bit larger white flowers that I'm also going to be using in this arrangement. And then I took a pool noodle, I cut it to about 6 inches, and I'm going to be using it in this container. It's a round container that was on sale. It's part of the Christmas package deals. The little, the lid comes off of it. And I'm going to be using this as my base for my arrangement. And so basically I will be taking the pool noodle and placing it on the inside of my container like so, and then I'll be adding my flowers using the pool noodle as my base for making sure. And then I'm going to use this, it's a ribbon that I bought last year that was a glitter mesh ribbon that they had in the Christmas collection. It's a little bit softer, it's a little more pliable, and what I'm going to be using this for is my filler. For once I get all of my flowers put in, I'll use this as my filler around, kind of like Spanish moss in a way, to kind of cover up the stems of the flowers. So that is what we're using today. And so to get started, I'm going to take off all my tags and go ahead and use my wire cutters and clip all of the stems. I'll be right back. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to be using the larger flowers first. I always like to place them first. So basically I'm just going to try to do this on the table so that y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm just I'm going to be sticking them into my into the pool noodle and randomly sticking them. Okay, I'm just going to be randomly sticking these around the edges here until we get them placed, and we will continue to place them and the edges around just to kind of get the I'm sorry, move it over out of the way, out of the camera. Sorry about that. I know y'all couldn't see that, that was far away. So basically I did 4, and then I did 4 again, and now I'm just going to have 4 more to set, and I'm just going to set them kind of in the center here. I can probably place them and then pull them, and it's a good thing that, you know, they are wired so that you can bend them the way that you want them to go. So, and then of course they are going to bend a little differently whenever you get them in the actual container. So I do want a tighter brush, I think. So put them in tighter, and then that is, I don't know, I kind of like that. Sorry about that. I'm just kind of like dreaming on. Okay, I'm going to pull this out again because I want to work with it. I want you to be able to see it because I think this is just too much and it's too close to the camera. So this way I can kind of work with it and it be not too far from the camera. So anyway, so I'm actually just kind of putting it in, just kind of get a look at it. But now what I want to do is I want to add some white to it. And I really want to get this baby's breath in it first. So I really like the contrast of the white and the red. So I'm going to work with it and get it kind of blended in amongst the flowers here. Okay. And then I'm just going to keep, I have 5 of these. So I just kind of have to keep that in mind, that I have 5 of these white ones. And I'm going to kind of work them in so that they are kind of, you know, it may be that this is all I want. Is this, just this white. That's it. And no more. You know, it may be all I need is just this white. No more. Because it might give it just enough of an accent of, I just really didn't know. I tried to buy what I felt I would need, but now that I'm kind of getting it in there, I don't think I need it. So really, I think that makes a beautiful bouquet. I mean, hey, you know, I talked about doing a wedding one, and you know, without the pool noodle, you could possibly take all of those and put them together just like that. Wrap it with either a ribbon like this, if you were doing red and white for your wedding, or just with a flat satin red ribbon. That would be a beautiful bouquet. Man, that is nice. Okay, so anyways, so now I'm going to take and place this inside, and I'm even having second thoughts about, I don't even think I need the stuffing of this ribbon. I thought I was going to be using this ribbon to stuff inside here, which I was kind of thinking there would be so many gaps. But if you can tell, it's in there and there's no gaps, really. It just looks like it's just a full vase, you know, a full vase full of flowers. And I really like it. And the last thing that I want to do is I wanted to add this piece of ribbon at the bottom to just kind of give a little bit, to break that solid redness up. And I still want to do that, I think. And that is going to be my final product. So I just need to get my glue gun out, and which I failed to plug in and get it going. Either that, or you can use some craft glue if you want to sit there and hold it for a while, but or some whatever kind of glue you want to use. I think I'm just going to get my glue gun out and glue it. Just glue this ribbon on. And I'm going to follow the seam. If you don't know, there's a seam on the back of here. So I'm just going to follow this seam, and that's where I'm just going to glue this edge right here with my glue gun, and then just take and glue this down just like that, and I'll cut it, and then this will be my final project. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Very easy. So total price on this whole thing, the container was 63 cents because it was on sale. The flowers, I got 2 bushes for $1.25, so that was $2.50. The baby's breath, this particular baby's breath was not on sale, but it was It was $1.25 for one, and that's all. That's just one stem. So so $1.25, $1.25, $2.50 plus $1.25 is $3.75 plus the 63, less than $5 for sure. And then this is just some scrap piece of ribbon that I had. So really cheap Valentine's floral arrangement that you could use for a centerpiece for a table. And again, like I said, I think it would even make a really good, this combination of the red roses and the white. You could take and wrap with a ribbon, like I said, and you could make it, actually make it a bouquet. That would be a beautiful wedding bouquet for a February wedding. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Make sure that you like this video. Comment below if you like the final arrangement. Let me kind of give you the effect of what it's going to look like. Here's what it's going to look like. I don't have it glued yet, but I will get it glued. But comment if you like this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for visiting my channel. And thank you for all of those that have subscribed and have liked my previous videos. And I'll do my best to put out some more videos and just kind of continue doing what I've been doing. Y'all have a great day. Bye.